Case closed for the 4 million movie style Bulawayo robbery. State media blame most wanted robbers who nobody knows of as police engages Interpol for the second time in 15 months. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyuka pana kuchinzi aiwa vakomana vambozoti vakanorobha Ecobank vari kunzi kesi yavo yakuchizovhagwa nokuda kwokuti there are no way kuti vanhu vatatu makore akawanda tingovatsvaka but hativazivi. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyuka pana pamuchenji radio kuti subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda munhu anobuda nyuka muchinzi now that the suspects in are just names of individuals supposedly on the run since 2019. We have to ask, is there really any hope anymore? Dear Zimbabweans, earlier today, 10 October 2024, state media including Harare Herald Zimbabwe flooded social media with what they claim is new information about the Bulawayo 4 million USD and robbery. But let's break down the facts as gathered by the Change Radio. According to Herald, the Bumbunu brothers, Elijah and Takafa, have been on the run since May 18, 2022, if not earlier, but by July 5, 2023, the same Herald reported that police suspected Elijah was operating a trucking company and living in an unknown suburb. So why haven't they tracked him down since then? Since July 5, 2023, the Herald even claimed that Interpol had been engaged to assist. What was the result as Interpol failed? And now, on October 10, 2024, we are once again told the police have engaged Interpol. What exactly is Interpol expected to do now that they could not do in the past year? Let's get real. Do these suspects even exist? ndo mashoko ari kubuditswa vakomana vechange radio vachiti aiwa vakomana vezeta rapi varatidza kuti vakakonewa kubata vakonewa basa vari kukonewa kubata vakomana avo vakanorobha zviri pachena zvavanyatsokurobha nyika yese yakatarisa but panapa zviri kunzi they failed vavatonoengage naInterpol kubva muna 2019 masuspects aya aingozikamwa vari varongoramba vachingotadza kuvabata. Kuti sei mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro peclose of their case kuiva kuchitogwa panapa nevakomana vechange radio? Tudze mafungiro enyu pida comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.